Perfectly vine-ripened tomatoes have to rely on more than sunshine. Nothing beats a juicy ripe tomato at the height of summer, and if you're lucky, you'll end up with enough tomatoes to feed the whole neighborhood, and the squirrels too. So friends, you have seen in your thumbnail that today we will talk about tomatoes. So friends, before starting the video, those friends who are not on the channel should subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications of all the upcoming videos. And you could end up with a less than stellar harvest. Determining the right watering schedule can depend on soil conditions, where your tomatoes are planted, and your climate. If you want to make sure But that luck comes from knowing exactly the right care and maintenance for your plants, the most important being how often to water your tomatoes. Tomatoes are generally known as easy to grow, but watering is where things can go awry. There's a little bit of Goldilocks involved in getting just the right watering frequency for your tomatoes. Water too much, and you could end up with soggy roots and rotten tomatoes. Water too little. Water your tomato plants correctly this summer. Here's the expert-approved guide on frequency, factors in watering, and how to recognize overwatering and underwatering.